When I call for someone but no one's listening. When the silence is louder than it's ever been.